How would you like to know how to make raw vegan creme de menthe candies? I'm here to show you right now. Hi, welcome to my kitchen. With the holidays coming up, with Christmas, we always think about peppermint candy, candy canes, and mint things. So today we're going to be making peppermint truffles. It's simple, easy ingredients. If you're excited about learning to make these peppermint truffles, hit the like button now. Now, the ingredients include coconut butter, maple syrup, milk, plant-based milk of your choice, spirulina, and mint extract. Now, the coconut butter is not coconut oil. I have been using coconut oil in several of my recipes, but this gives a richer, denser texture to your candy. And what it is simply desiccated coconut, and that's it. So we're going to put that into our blender along with the maple syrup, the milk, the spirulina. Now spirulina is mainly for the color, but it is also a very rich superfood and high in antioxidants and very good for you. It doesn't take much, but it's going to give us that pretty green color that you expect to see in mints. And then this is the peppermint extract. And spirulina does get on you. Put that in the blender. Okay, now we've gotten it all blended up, and what you want is a consistency like this. It's kind of like a pancake batter type thing. You'll probably have to use the blender depending on how thick your coconut butter is. You may have to keep blending it a little bit extra, but eventually you'll get to this state. So now what you do, I have one of these silicone ice cube trays, and you just want to take a little bit. You're going to make little discs. You're going to put that in the freezer, and then we'll cover them in chocolate. And then it's going to be so good. And about a spoonful in each one. This recipe is easily doubled. Now what you do to get it all nice and even and get bubbles out, just take the tray, just shake it a little bit, and it'll all get nice and even. And then we're going to pop this in the freezer, let it freeze up. And when we're done, we'll pop them out, we'll dip them in the chocolate and let that harden, and we'll have nice, fresh, refreshing mints. Okay, we're back. I have let these creme de menthes freeze in their mold overnight to let them get good and firm, and now we are just going to dip them in the chocolate and let them continue to set up. So I'm going to take a little I have to work it a little bit. Put it back on You don't want to leave it in the chocolate too long because it will start to melt, but since they're already frozen, they'll set up pretty well. And these you will want to keep in the freezer until it's time to serve also. What I do a lot of times when I have things like this is I will just get some of the those things you put in the coolers, the blue ice things, and I'll put them underneath my platter. You cover them with a cloth or something, and that will hide them but still keep everything cold for you. Okay, now what I'll do is where I didn't get it on all of it, I just go back and touch it up with a spoon. And once these are set up, they'll look really nice. So now, creme de menthe, and we're going to let these set up a little harder, and then they'll be ready to eat. Hey, what are you doing? Don't get him. You're so guilty. Well, I guess since you're a good boy, I'll let you try them. I made you some raw vegan creme de menthe candies.
Ooh, that looks good.
Want to try one?
Yeah.
Are they good?
Mmm.
Let me try.
Almost like a peppermint patty.
Mm-hmm. It's like a peppermint patty.
That is very good.
And it's raw and it's vegan.
Mmm, delicious. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you don't miss any future videos we upload every week. Healthy tips and recipes to help you get to your best health yet. And don't forget to look in the description for lots of goodies, but especially an ebook for our Christmas recipes. Happy holidays!